Ready to refresh your online persona on Weverse and connect with your favorite artists and fellow fans under a new name? Let's dive into how easily you can change your Weverse nickname. First, open your Weverse app. On the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see a tab labeled More. Tap on that to access your profile and settings. Next, you'll see your current profile. Your profile picture and your existing nickname will be displayed prominently here. To make changes, tap directly on your profile name or the area where your profile picture and username are shown. This will take you to your profile editing page. Look for the field that displays your current nickname. You'll be able to edit this text directly. Now, simply tap inside the nickname box and delete your old name. Type in your new, desired nickname. Feel free to get creative and choose something that truly represents you. Once you're happy with your new nickname, look towards the top right corner of the screen for a button that says Edit Profile or Save. Tap on this to confirm your changes. And just like that, you've successfully updated your Weverse nickname. Your new display name is now active, ready for you to interact with artists and the entire Weverse community. Happy connecting!